Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove the sound recognition shortcut to the control center on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down, and then in here, tap on Control Center. Next, scroll down, then tap on Sound Recognition. Tap on the Add button to add it to the control center. Once it is added to the control center, you can swipe down the control center and tap on that shortcut to open up Sound Recognition. In here, you can enable it by tapping on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Once it is turned on, you can choose which sounds that you can recognize. So for example, siren, you can switch on siren, and you can choose fire, turn on fire alert. So whenever there is a fire, whenever your phone recognizes the sound of fire, it will alert you and raise an alarm on your device. And that's it. And once you don't want to use it anymore, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. If you want to remove it from the control center, simply go back into your settings, then tap on Control Center. Now go down to the Included Controls section, then tap on the Remove button, then tap on Remove to remove sound recognition. And now it has been removed from the control center. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.